Hey there, hungry folks. Whenever I need to shed a few pounds, like now for my bikini body, I combine intermittent fasting with low carb. Works great, at least for me. And among the low carb dishes I make, this soup is one of my favorites. It's super easy to make with just a few ingredients and tastes really delicious. By the way, it's also great as a party soup. For this we need chopped tomatoes, preferably organic, curry or coarse sausages, I prefer the latter, a bell pepper, preferably red, an onion, curry powder, vegetable broth, and something to sweeten it. I recommend kesujit like birch sugar or jizuka. First, we peel and chop the onion, slice the sausages, and dice the cored bell pepper. Now, we heat some margarine in a deep pan or a large pot, and now we add the chopped onion, saute it, and give it a quick stir. Then we add the sausage pieces to the pan. Brown them all around, stirring occasionally. When they're almost done and slightly browned, we add the bell pepper pieces. Stir everything again and continue to saute briefly. Then we add the chopped tomatoes, stir everything together again. Meanwhile, we add the sugar substitute to the vegetable broth and stir it in. Then we pour the prepared vegetable broth into the pan. Stir everything thoroughly, adjust the heat so it simmers, and cover it with a lid. Let it simmer for 7 to 10 minutes. Then remove the lid and sprinkle in the curry powder. Stir it in, and that's it. We can now take the finished soup off the stove and serve it. Maybe add some bread, but make sure it's low carb if needed. Though the soup tastes really delicious. So it's a quick dinner and, as mentioned, great for parties. I hope you have fun making it and enjoy your meal.